Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic many of you have asked about: how to build that undeniable attractive face card. You know, that look that just commands attention. Now before we go any further, let me tell you something important. You are not ugly. Seriously, most people just haven't learned how to truly enhance their features. Think about some of the top male models out there. If you dig up their old photos, many of them looked pretty average back then. What changed? They learned the right habits and put in the work that completely transformed their faces. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that lethal, attractive face in 7 simple, actionable steps. The best part? You'll start seeing real results in just 2 to 3 months. Ready to unlock your best look yet? Let's jump right in. First up, step 1, lose body fat. This is arguably the most crucial step, so let's get lean. Here's why. Face fat hides your natural cheekbones and jawline, giving you that rounder, puffier appearance. It doesn't matter how great your haircut is, or what fancy skincare you use if your facial structure is obscured. When you lose body fat, your face looks sharper, your jawline becomes defined, and honestly your whole physique looks cleaner and more put together. You don't need to strive for a bodybuilder physique. Just aiming to go from, say, around 20% body fat down to 10 to 12% is usually enough to look fit, confident, and bring out your facial features. So how do you do it? Start with a calorie deficit. This simply means eating a little less than your body burns daily. Combine that with weight training to build muscle and some cardio to help shed fat. The good news is, getting lean can happen faster than you think. Many see significant changes in just 4 to 5 months, so you can transform pretty quickly. Also critically, cut out excessive junk and bloat foods. Having them once or twice a week is totally fine, but try to cut out added sugar almost entirely. Sugar is a real enemy here. It can ruin your skin and makes you gain fat quickly. Trust me, when you get lean, your face, your style, your whole vibe, everything levels up. Moving on to step 2, take care of your oral hygiene. You could have the most symmetrical face in the world, but if your teeth are yellow or your breath isn't fresh, it can instantly detract from your overall appeal. So it's time to take your oral hygiene seriously. First, invest in an electric toothbrush. They clean far more effectively than manual ones. Then, incorporate whitening strips a few times a week. They really do make your teeth look brighter and cleaner. A sparkling white smile instantly makes you look more attractive and friendly. It sends a clear signal that you pay attention to details and care for yourself, and that's something people always notice and appreciate. Alright, for step 3, keep a simple skincare routine. You absolutely do not need 10 different products to achieve great skin. Let's keep it simple with just 3 essentials: a cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Avoid washing it more than that, as it can dry out your skin. After cleansing, always apply a good moisturizer to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and healthy. And please never skip sunscreen even if you're mostly indoors. UV rays can still reach you and cause damage. Remember, clean skin doesn't mean perfect skin. It just means you look fresh, well-maintained, and put effort into your appearance. Now for step 4, groom yourself properly. Your grooming habits can completely transform your look. Even if you have a few blemishes, being well-groomed makes a huge difference. Start with your eyebrows. Grab a small face razor, not your shaving razor, and gently remove any extra stray hairs from the sides and between them. Don't overdo it. Just clean them up to give them a neater shape. Next, fix your facial hair. Whether you have a full beard or just stubble, trim it properly and keep the lines crisp. But perhaps the biggest grooming game changer is your haircut. Hair is literally like makeup for men. It can completely change your entire face. Just look at any glow-up transformation, and you'll see a massive shift in hairstyle is almost always a key factor. If you're feeling lost on what style suits you, check out the video I linked in the description for some guidance. Okay, let's talk about step 5. Fix your sleep position. This one is super simple but incredibly impactful. Stop sleeping face down. When you sleep on your stomach, all the fluid collects in your face, which is exactly why your face often looks puffy and swollen in the morning. Instead, try to sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated, maybe with an extra pillow. You'll notice your face looks much tighter and cleaner in the morning. It's a small adjustment, but it makes a significant difference over time. Next up, step 6. Practice your facial expressions. You can gain a lot of influence and attraction just by learning to control your facial expressions. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes every day to stand in front of a mirror. practice your smile, that confident gaze, and even your relaxed resting face. If you want to look better in photos, experiment with different angles to discover which ones flatter you most. And remember, a warm, genuine smile makes you instantly approachable and confident. You don't need to force it. Just relax your face and let a natural smile come through. Good facial expressions make you instantly more approachable and trustworthy. Finally, step 7. Fix your posture and neck position. This significantly impacts how your face and body are perceived. If your head is slumped forward and your shoulders are rounded, your jawline can disappear and you'll look less confident. Instead, keep your chin slightly up and your shoulders pulled back. This immediately makes your jawline pop and gives you that powerful, confident presence. Try this. Take a photo standing normally, then take another with excellent straight posture. The difference will be undeniable. Also consider mewing. Just rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth whenever you can. And chewing some hard gum occasionally can help strengthen your jaw muscles over time. You see, you don't need expensive surgeries or fancy products to look your absolute best. Just consistently follow these 7 powerful steps. Get lean, fix your teeth, care for your skin, groom yourself well, sleep smart, practice your facial expressions, and stand tall. Do this every single day. Stay consistent, and in just a few months, you'll look and feel like a completely different person. A better version of yourself. That's it for today's transformation guide. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this in the future, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks so much for watching.